I'm Marianne Quintana, and today is March 10th, 2019, and I'm here to show you how to digitally label an image. I'll be using Google Drawing as my app to be able to label a picture or an image that I wanna label. So I'm gonna show you my computer, and I have already opened my Google Drive. And what I usually do first is I make sure that I name my project. So for this particular one, I'll be naming it as pituitary, and that way I know exactly where to find it later on. And so after that, I will just go ahead and either upload from my computer, or I can go directly to the file or picture that I want to label, and then I'll just click on copy, and then I will go ahead and paste it, just so. So this is the image now, and I can either keep it as is, but it's gonna be small once you upload it, or you can go ahead and resize it just like that by dragging the different points or the squared portion, or just go to that side where you want to resize it. So once you get the desired size, you can start labeling your project or your image. So for this one, I'll be labeling the pituitary gland, and I'll be labeling the acetophyll, basophil, and the nuclei of the pituitary. So to do that, I will go ahead and click on the line option. And there's a drop box in here as well. So when you click on that, it will show you the different lines or arrows or whatever, however you want to label or your image. So for this one, I'll be using, for instance, let's use line. So I will just go to the image, and then since I'll be labeling acetophils are usually red in color. So I'll just look for, say, something that is red in here. So this one is red. I will just go ahead and click on that, and then I will go ahead and label it or use a text box. So I'll click on text box, and then I will just go ahead and create a text box, and then I will just type in acetophyll. So either I can stop here, or I can go ahead and make it a line in the center. So how to do that is just highlight it, and then go to this portion where you can align it in a way that whatever you want it. You can either do a left, middle, or justified in the middle, or right, whatever, however you want it. So for this one, I want it in the center. So now it's on the center, and then I can also go ahead and resize. And then if I want it with color, I'll just go to fill color, and then I'll click on that color, and then that's it. And then I will be labeling next one. I'll be using arrow this time, and I'll be labeling basophil. So I will just go ahead and click on something that is blue in color, because basophils are blue. So I'll create another text box, and then I'll label it as basophil, and I'll just resize it. I can drag also the text box, and then the last one, or you can keep it without the border color, however you want to do it. And then the last one, I'll be labeling the nuclei. So the nuclei are usually dark purple. I'll go ahead and click on anything that is dark purple, and then I'll go ahead and do another text box and label it as nuclei. That's it. Thank you so much.